I thought it was okay. I guess he just wanted to see the program. Keep going, bro. Be careful because I don't want to get your safety again, you know.
Okay.
So I mean that good enough video or?
Yeah, is that you?
Okay. Yeah, I just gotta do this can and that's it.
Okay.
I mean, you know, not to be a jerk, but you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Because I'm protecting him. He's my partner.
Yeah.
But if something happens to you, I don't want it to fall down on me. So.
How many trucks do you guys run?
We run. I think we got like about 10 or 12. If you want to see more, go to Calumet Conkey Street. That's where our complex is. You can videotape everything there.
Are they all Loadmaster bodies? You have other ones too?
We got Loadmasters and Leech.
Okay,
Leech
cool. All right, well, thank you.
All right, take care.
You too. Thank you.
All right, buddy.
out here in Hammond, Indiana. First time checking out this particular region and being successful in filming. Thank you to those guys for allowing me to film. You can hear the guy who didn't seem very comfortable with me continuing to follow, even though it's completely legal for me to follow since I'm being on public streets and sidewalks and whatnot, that legally I can follow whoever I want, wherever I want, but if they become uncomfortable with it, the best thing to do is to respect their wishes, because you never want to make enemies out here. So tip of the day, whenever someone politely asks you not to continue following, you got to be respectful to them because they're being respectful to you.